Welcome back to another Joyride Garage Build Update. If you missed any of the previous episodes, part 1 we go over plans, design, and get the permits. Part 2 we started framing. Part 3 we got her under roof and completed the shell. Then on part 4 we got hit with some major setbacks, and now here we are on part 5. Enjoy.
We got the hammer. There we go. We're in there like nowhere. Right there. See, I just finished these 2 doors over here. My helper Timmy over here, he's wrapping up that last door. This door is done. Yeah, I put the finishing touches on. Pretty much just finished this door over here. Timmy's still working on this door, and he's supposed to be the professional, and I've already done this one. Doors up now. Let's check and see. Finally, these doors took forever. Wow. Dude, they look good. They look good.
They look real good.
Wow.
Should have done like the big shop door where you got that one section is all this glass so you can look in.
I am beyond excited. We finally got the garage doors installed, and anybody building anything or building a garage knows the weight on garage doors is insane right now. It is ridiculous. So anybody, if you are about to build anything, I highly suggest ordering your doors before you even start anything. Even if you do that, the doors are still not going to be in by the time the garage is done. Timmy and I, we go way back. That's one of my buddies from high school. He's actually in one of my very first YouTube videos with his Nova. That's some old stuff, some terrible footage, but some good times. He helped me out install the doors. I like to say he helped me. Normally he shows up with a helper, but didn't have one, so I kind of filled in for a helper for him. I have no experience installing garage doors. I don't know too much about it, but I will say I did learn a little bit about them. They're not too bad. So the next step is get concrete poured, and we have a few other things. We're gonna have to get electric and all that other stuff. We're gonna take a walk inside, and I'll show you guys what we got. So these are like standard garage doors with tracks, and they are insulated doors, and I believe the brand is HAAS or HAAS or something like that. Timmy talked me into going with the insulated, and I am so glad I did. From the inside, it looks so much nicer, and it's also gonna help keep the garage temperature kind of under control. Right now we don't have garage door motors or openers or anything like that. I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in or not. They just slide up so smooth anyway, and it's actually not that bad. But if I do, I'm thinking about going with the jack shaft motor, the one that goes up on the side, just so it's not up in the way, so it won't get in the way if I have a lift. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the car will actually be between the tracks. I think I showed in the last video we did the gravel. You guys could see the gravel. We did do that, and we talked about putting in a trench drain over here. A lot of you guys in the comments were telling me that is something I definitely want to do, so guess what? We are doing it. Steel grates, and they go like right there in that channel. In the wintertime when it's super cold out, we can come in here, wash cars. My uncle's telling me we should put a water heater in here so we can wash cars with warm water. I don't know, that's something we might do in the future. Now I'm just waiting on concrete. So concrete is set back too a little bit. I talked to my concrete guy. I believe he's probably gonna be coming out within the next and start prepping and doing everything we need to do to have the concrete poured. Hopefully it doesn't go like everything else has been going. These doors actually match the doors that are on the house, but the house doors are a different color. I went with white on here. I don't know. I kind of like the white better. I'm thinking about actually changing the house doors to white. And then we went with the second panel down for the windows. We tried both ways just to see which way looks better. Laura and I, we kind of liked the second panel down because these are 10 feet tall doors. They're really tall. And then when the panel was all the way up at the top, it looked kind of like really long and skinny. I think it looks better.
What's up, dude?
You need to hear what your son just said.
What did he say?
He said that he's got a little treasure chest full of quarters that he's saving up. I said, what are you going to buy with them? He says, I'm going to save them up so I can get my own car. Tell him what you said. I said, you want a Mustang?
I'm going to buy a charger.
A charger?
Yeah.
What kind of charger?
The one that was in the first Fast and the Furious.
Ooh, so that's
real
a real
charger.
charger, not this fake stuff. Yeah.
This is half Mercedes. It just
wears
wears the name.
yeah.
Hi, guys. Nice to see you again.
Yeah. Nice little flower.
Oh, yeah, your son gave that to me. He said, put it in your hair.
Some of you guys may not remember Matt. He was in, I think you've only ever been in one other video, right? The OBX Rod and Custom Festival. He was in that one. You had the famous ice cream scene. If you guys made it that far in the video, there was an awesome ice cream scene.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
I can't believe I let you do that.
And the deep fried Oreos. What do you say, Matt? You want to go hit up this car show?
We should.
Yeah, there is a little local car show going on. I don't know what it's about or anything about it. I just heard that there was one in Strasbourg that's like basically, what, 5, 6, 7 miles away?
It's too nice of a day.
Yeah, it's actually a really nice day, but it's a little bit nippy, but it's nice. It's like perfect weather. But I think we're going to go head down there. I'm going to take the 68 and go see what that is about. But we need to get the GT500 out and take this man for a ride. He has never ridden in it. He's a Mopar guy. So I think we're going to probably do that later. And if we don't do it in this video, I will have another video. We'll maybe do another video. So just sit tight and let's go have some fun.
Step on into the garage, babe. So we did pull the first vehicle in.
Dada, how do we get that down, though?
The door? I can't tell you my secrets, buddy. I'm gonna
Leanne, you want to put the door down?
You want to go take the Camaro?
But I want you to show me.
This string, but it's really high, so little people can't reach it.
Pull that and it comes down.
I do it.
He wants to do everything, doesn't he?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
Here, all right.
Love you. Be careful.
Yep.
Me to go fast?
Yeah. I wanted you to go really fast.
Oh,
Dada, look how fast that white car.
Well, we're just trying to get a thumbnail for you guys to just get basically all the cars lined up in front of the new shop. Surprisingly, the Eclipse actually started right up. I didn't think it was going to start.
gauge?
It's sitting down at the ground. It ain't moved.
It hasn't moved?
No.
You hear him? Alright, so we got all the cars lined up. The GT500 is over there. She's just chopping away. Sounds so good. We got them all lined up. Basically, this is going to be my thumbnail picture for the video that you're watching. Once we get the concrete, get everything in there, we're going to kind of put everything in the garage to stage it. We're going to do like a garage warming party. Now you have house warming parties. We're going to do like a garage warming party. I don't know if that's a thing, but we are going to make it a thing. We're going to definitely do that. Just have a bunch of my car buddies and friends around. Grill out. Have all of us with all of our cars parked out in front. Just looks awesome just seeing all that lined up right there. We just went for a ride in the 500. What did you think?
There's nothing I can hate on about it. That car is perfect. The way it sits, the wheels set up, the power it puts out, even, I mean, the grip wasn't worth crap today, and it...
Oh, you're skating a little bit.
Yeah, but that is impressive. That's an impressive Mustang.
It is.
Let's see if the truck starts here. You want to try to start it?
Yeah.
If not, we're going to try that jump box. Yeah. It was a little weak.
But it is warm. It's like 40 something.
We're going to back the truck. I'm going to try to get like an up high shot picture. Even though we got all the cars, we're still missing my favorite one. We're missing Alice.
Miss Alice is way over there.
Yeah, we're missing old Alice. Alice is like my second home.
Say the word, say the word. Say the word, goodbye. Say the word and we can run around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay. Forget about that better place. And I know you're healing, 'cause I know the feeling. The streets stop.
She just rolls up.
Can I be in the picture too?
Yeah, you could be in the picture.
We'll leave our fade and fade into the night. Just follow me to paradise. To say we tried. Say the word.
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
My homemade wings. Bake them in the oven. We didn't vlog that. We just basically came in here and started cooking. We broil them. I'm not gonna give the full recipe. They're baked. Brink's wing sauce. It's doctored up. Way gooder than any place you'll ever get wings.
It's his first time.
It is actually, yeah.
What'd you think of the quesadilla?
Dude, that was dope. That was a good quesadilla.
That was Laura made the quesadilla. Ooh, yeah. Wings right there. Chef Joyride right here. Got all my own apron, my hat, and everything. We're converting the channel to a food channel.
I gotta go.
It's food time.
Yep, food time.
Say bye-bye.
Help yourself.
We are gonna bring this video to a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have a lot more exciting videos, especially when the garage gets done. And we're now waiting on concrete. Once concrete is in there, then all the fun begins, because then we can start moving into the garage finally. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Mwah!